General functions of the nervous system. The nervous system detects changes, makes decisions, stimulates muscles and glands to respond, and maintains homeostasis. The sensory functions are the nervous system receives information. Sensory receptors gather information by detecting changes, and information is carried to the CNS. The integrative function is the nervous system coordinates sensory information to create sensations, memories, and thoughts. The nervous system makes decisions on body's response to sensory information. In the motor function, decisions are acted upon, impulses are carries to effectors, the muscles or glands, divisions of motor portions of PNS, which are somatic nervous systems, transmits voluntary instructions to skeletal muscle, and automatic nervous system transmits involuntary instructions from the CNS to smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and glands.